Thank you for visiting Chatpata Samayal again. Today's recipe is prawn veggie soup. Let's have a look at the ingredients. I have taken cabbage, carrot, beans, onion, chilies, a small piece of ginger and garlic pods, 1 egg, butter, spring onion. Take cleaned prawns. In a thick bottomed pan or wok, take 1 tablespoon butter, add ginger, garlic and saute it well. Let it change into brown in color. Add red chilies. Saute well. Now it is time to add onions. Saute well till it also turns into golden brown. Now it is time to add vegetables one by one. Since this is prawn veggie soup, I have given priority for prawn flavor, so I have selected selective vegetables. Add beans and saute it well. Let it soften a little bit. Then you can add carrot and cabbage one after another. Do not overcook the vegetables because it will spoil the soup. I have selected carrot, beans and cabbage. You can select any vegetables for this soup, but do not use too many vegetables because this is prawns soup. You can add 1 tablespoonful of olive oil if you have, otherwise you can go with butter itself. I have used 1 tablespoon olive oil. Do not forget to add salt. Add a pinch of turmeric powder. If you want, you can add a pinch of garam masala too. Saute again, and it is time to add prawns. The black vein in the prawn should be removed before adding it into the pan. Add spring onion and 1 cupful of water and allow it to cook. Pour the egg mixture into it and allow it to cook for a while. Since the soup thickens with egg mixture, no need to add corn flour. To increase the flavor, add pepper powder and garnish the soup with coriander leaves and onion. This soup is very apt for rainy season.